If you've ever felt that lingering, low-level anxiety of wondering if your security cameras are actually going to work when you need them most, well, you're going to want to pay close attention to what we're covering today. So let me ask you something. Is your business truly secure right now? Or is it just recording its own vulnerabilities? It's a tough question, isn't it? Most businesses install a camera system, dust off their hands, and completely forget about it. But an unmanaged system? That's often a silent liability. A lens gets dirty, a hard drive fails, a network connection drops out entirely, and suddenly, you don't actually have a security system anymore. You just have a collection of expensive plastic blind spots. The difference between these two approaches is honestly night and day. On one side, we have your typical unmanaged security. It's entirely reactive. You generally only find out a camera was offline after a major incident happens, right? And that just results in incredibly stressful downtime and costly gaps in your recording. Now contrast that with elite managed support. This is proactive, always on, peaceful security. It's literally the difference between jumping out of a plane hoping your parachute works and having a team of dedicated experts meticulously pack it, inspect it, and jump right alongside you.